Hello, my old friend. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, I'm not leaning too hard. No, I think we're good. Welcome back to the channel, and today, like you've just seen, I've got my old friend out, my angle grinder. I have missed her quite a lot. I'm going to get the front cut off this car. I've had a chat with James, we've got a game plan, and it is just time to get on with it. So, I'm going to do this one a little bit differently, so bear with me guys, there's reasoning why. The main reason is I need to keep the car rolling as much as possible really, and the other reason is the most costly part of this vehicle is the front end, so we kind of want to get that nailed off and done first. So in this video we are going to cut the front off. That main reason for that is we need all of this replacing everything, so we can place an order then. We can get the oil panels in order while I repair like inner wings and the scuttle, the bulkhead area and things like that. That is the main reason for doing this. That is kind of the bit of the plan behind it all, is get that cut off, the car still rolls, I can then place a new front end on while we still have the subframe on, and then I think what we're going to do is flip to the back of the car, tackle all the back end, make a subframe jig and stuff like that. I brought my pallet down, which the 89 rolled around on for donkey's years, so once we're kind of ready, front end's on, back end's repaired, we can put it on the pallet, and then obviously we still move the car around. The eventual plan is it will go on the rotisserie spit, but obviously we need to get set up a little bit more down here to accommodate that. I just want to know quite how bad everything is under here. Obviously it's going, but I really hope the inner wings don't need much repair, and they need minimal work. So get ready guys, quite a lot of time lapsing in this video. Like always, I don't take the front end off the conventional way. I cut off the worst of it and then I trim everything back. I just find that so much easier than literally spending most of my life just drilling spot welds out. It's one of them, probably haven't invested in a good enough spot weld drill bit, but also I just feel like, honestly, it just takes so long to do something when you could just whip it off that way. So we're not worrying about saving any of this, so I'm not going to be precious over it. Cut down the A pillars, cut along the side of the wings, disconnect it from the front, obviously the bolts out the front, main part out of the way, bonnet off, that's going in the bin as well. And yeah, the idea is we can just, push forward with this a little bit more and start repairing. So guys, before we get properly stuck into this video, number one, are you enjoying this car? Because I can't wait to get stuck in with it. James is very excited to see things going on. Number two, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. I can't tell you how much it helps. We're getting loads of new subscribers popping through, which is amazing. Welcome. If you're new to this, watching this video, I do apologise for the shutter rattling, it's a bit windy. Yeah, it's absolutely awesome. And while you're there, please check out our sponsors. We have Minimine, and obviously on board with them guys. It's absolutely epic to work with Minimine for all your classic mini needs. The link to their eBay shop is down below, so please go check them out. And Frost Restoration for your tools and consumables, and basically a one-stop shop to get your workshop sorted out. And any of them tricky jobs you need to find bits and pieces and tools for, they've probably got it. So go check out both sponsors. Everything is in the description below. Right, we're gonna get cutting. Where are my cutting discs? Right, PPE first, and then we'll get cutting. Right guys, before we get stuck into the Mini Mayfair today, I just wanted to shout out a really good chap. He's been a long time subscriber, and he does actually have his own YouTube channel called Gimmefuel Garage. So please go check that out. I will put a link to his channel on the bottom of the description, so please go and check it out. He's doing a similar restoration to the 89. He's got a number of quite cool minis. He's quite new to YouTube, but I think we should all get behind him and get some subs in there, because the whole point of documenting stuff like this is to build a community and to just look after these cars together, because we are in essence gatekeepers of these cars and we're all just trying to learn our way through it all. So please go check out his channel. But what he has done is he sent us something for the workshop, and honestly I could not believe it when I saw it, so I have to show you. It is going to go up, but I just wanted to say a massive thank you to him. So it's got Simpsons Classics obviously along the top, And look at this. So I don't know how, it's obviously a bit coiled up, but how epic is that? So I'm absolutely buzzing, and it's all the brickwork of the workshop and stuff like that. And yeah, honestly, Nick, you literally made my month. If getting this workshop wasn't enough, it was having that, because that is absolutely awesome. So thank you very much once again, buddy. I know I thanked you a few times as it is. Yeah, I think we've got a makings of something quite cool there. So thank you very much for taking the time to do that. It means the absolute world to me. And I am gonna either put some eyelets in it or get it framed, and we'll have it up in our brew area over in the corner once we're all set up. So thanks very much, buddy. Let's get stuck into this video. Oh, it's hot under there. Right, so loads of non-conventional cutting done. You know I don't take front ends off the way they should be. Number one, this is the funnest way, because you just get to slice into a car. You don't often get to do that. And the kid inside you wants to come out and do it, so it's always fun. So don't follow me if this is the way you want to do it properly. Drill spot welds out. Problem is, this has all been plug welded down this side. And I'm not entirely sure the front panel's original. There's no ID tag kind of tack welded onto it. I don't know if it's actually had a full front at some point in its life, which, it's not out of the realms of possibility, is it? So what have we found so far? So we're all off. It looks a bit sorry for itself when you see a Mini like this. It's all kind of blown to bits. Up here it's completely gone. So up there there's absolutely no closure panel left, so you can just pull it out with your hands, and that's actually more underseal than there is metal there now. So yeah, it all just falls away. So I wouldn't have had a hoping hell in drilling any of that out. So this is why I normally do it this way. There's a hole straight into the car up there, so the flitch is gone. But I'm not entirely sure if our wobbly door, if I can get the door open, our wobbly door's a hinge. Bit of good news. So yeah, we definitely did a flitch repair up there, because that's completely gone, and gone at the bottom. But yeah, it's just loads of underseal everywhere. So someone's had a good go at painting, and obviously the top of it's rusty anyway. But yeah, it's all good. But yeah, I'm pretty sure, I think this wing was original, but these tabs are plug welded on. They definitely wouldn't have been plug welded on factory. Like I say, there's no identification tag on there. Normally there's one on that slam panel, which is why I cut that off to protect it. But there's nothing there at all. So I'm starting to think that it's had a front end in its life, or at least a front panel, or maybe a wing. Maybe it's had a front end impact, which would explain a lot of things. But that being said, if it has, the inner wings aren't bent or damaged or anything like that. And yeah, we are now at the point where to trim everything back. So I'm just going to run a flat disc down the A panels, get them out, and I don't know in this episode if we'll get the scuttle out. We'll work it out, but yeah, look at that poor thing. It's amazing how quickly they come apart. So I don't know how long that was for you guys, but that really didn't take long. But yeah, so like I say, not the right way to take front end off, but the easiest and quickest way in my eyes. Especially if you're like, right, I need to go somewhere to get some panels, you can just cut it off and you can work out what you need. So yeah, that's going to all go to the tip, which will be fun. Get rid of all that and then start a new chapter of panels, I guess. So I'll take the A panels off now. Should I film it? Yeah, we'll film it. We'll try and get the A panels off. I'm just going to run a flat disc up the side. Really just take the doors off while doing that, so I'm not too sure. But we'll work it out. If not, I'll do some cleaning back and then check back with you. So don't know how long this video is going to be, don't know how interesting it's going to be. But we're obviously just going to get cracking with it. So poor old Eve, she is really not looking good right now. So, but they got to look like this before they look any better. But this is quite bad, like all the rust is falling inside the car. And you can actually get your hand right up inside the car, up in there. I can pretty much get my whole hand, and that's like the back of the dashboard there. So yeah, we definitely need to get that sorted and looked at. So, get trimming. Firstly, look at the state of my new workshop. It's a metal everywhere. Right, where have we got up to? So, yeah, that's completely non-existent up there. There's no closer panel at all. Another reason why, like I say, I didn't take it off the conventional way is I kind of knew all this would happen. So this is just falling away. This is basically what's left of the scuttle at the bottom. So yeah, that's that. What else have we got? What have we found? So the bottom that's completely gone, and there's a sizable hole there. So all around the hinge, doesn't look like it's gone around the hinge. It's just all undersealed, peeling off it. But obviously we're going to need a full flitch panel. Put the whole piece in there. So we'll buy one of the Magnum repairs, done them a few times. But yeah, this is probably the worst side. It's pretty bad, that. So we'll get all the dash out in the next episode and start removing that. So this is kind of why I wanted it like this. So if the front's off, I can start repairing. Another thing I've noticed is there's a massive crack. Obviously I'll move the shock out of the way eventually, but look at that crack. That's actually a crack in the inner wing. Like the inner wing is completely cracked. So my method, like I say, of trimming everything back, it doesn't really take long at all to get that off, because once you can get one of the spot welds off, you can end up you can kind of fold it all the way off. And obviously that's a nice surface already to put a new panel on. This side not done yet, kind of ran out of time today, so we'll trim that one back. This one, I don't know if we've gone up in the top here, but oh yeah, we have, and yeah, it's gone as well. So yeah, that's the dashboard. So yeah, we're gone both sides. This side I've kind of left for you guys a little bit. Oh, look at that! Listen to that sound. So there, it's just so much paint on it over years of yeah, that one's actually gone round the hinge on that one, so that's not ideal. So we'll stop picking away now. Just that little piece. So yeah, I think we're going to need 2 flitch panels. It's just not worth welding anything to that, because that is so riddled with the old R word. This side, the wing doesn't appear. Oh no, the wing has cracked. The wing has completely cracked. So both inner wings need repairing, so I'll whip these shocks off and we'll get everything repaired. So this is kind of why I wanted it at this point, with the front end cut off. Method of getting rid of A panels is quite good. You can do it with the doors on. Obviously we're skinning the doors, so we're not madly worried about the paint. But there's a tack weld at the top, spot weld about 1 inch down, and a spot weld at the bottom if it's the original. So they do have spot welds on, and then it's just folded around the flange. So once you've ground the spot weld out, you can just pull the A panel away. So they're pretty simple to remove. So that's how I've always done them. But She doesn't look too good, does she? Guess what, guys? It's absolutely hammering it down outside. I'm dry. Oh, it was worth everything. It was... And I mean, that is like... Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, loving it. So, I don't think Eve's loving it. Although she's nice and dry and she has lived under a cover for years. So, right. We're going to have to go and get some panels ordered. So, yeah. Let's get tidied up for tonight, guys. I'll get some panels ordered. And then I think next point of call in the next episode is we'll whip the scuttle off as well. We'll get that right out of the way. And then what we can do after that is trim everything back, start repairing these inner wings. The front of the inner wings is absolutely mint. I'm really happy with them. I've just got to take the tabs off where the front panel was on. So I'm actually really quite chuffed with them. But I'm quite shocked with the cracks. It's not like James runs his car really low and stuff like that. So we'll whip all of this stuff out and we'll take them shock towers out. So you see these bits here, we'll take these off because that will be, no doubt, if that looks like that and that cracks, that whole thing's going to be covered. So yeah, we'll start repairing the inner wings I think in the next episode, guys. So I'll clean back the rest of that off camera, we'll get the scuttle off, and we will see quite how bad things are. So remember to check out our Instagram page because I do post pictures way earlier than the videos come out, so you guys can keep in the loop a little bit. And yeah, just keep posted. I'll do as much Instagram stories as I can. Got a lot of panels to collect now and quite a long conversation to have with old James. Very sorry, pal. But yeah, catch you next one. Remember to check all our sponsors. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below it, guys, because I love having a chat with you all. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Catch you next one when I'll tidy a workshop, I promise.